The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla!
Alright people, see there? Back to work again. After 5 months, exactly 5 months. See there? Yeah. Got my lint out there, yeah. It's the vest up and seat there, yeah. Back to work again. I'm patrolling at night, yeah. Give God thanks to you. Prayers on the stand up for me, alright? And love on and support on the show, man. Bless up on yourself, big up on yourself, love it, that's it. Yeah, man. So I saw you look out, so I mean, and the Bible said, be thy brother's keeper. And love on her, love all on the face, support on them, alright? Big up on yourself still, yeah. Out again, first time. I ever meet with the superintendent today. And see me freeze him immediately. Then me transfer me out of the parish shortly, but for now, I hear something there. That's it. So, let's up on yourself, alright?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and everyone. In this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media. I just presented to you a video that is circulating on social media where it is said that a police officer from within the country of Jamaica who had been caught on camera in a compromising position with a female while in uniform inside of a motor vehicle is back on duty. According to some things that I read in a news article, it is said that the police officer had been interdicted. And according to some things that have been said on social media, it is said that he's back on duty. Now, for those who do not know about the incident where it is said that a police officer had been caught on camera in a compromising position with a female while in uniform inside of a motor vehicle, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And when you click that link will take you to a previous video that I posted about that incident. Alright? The next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show when a police officer from within the country of Jamaica stumble or fall while trying to arrest or detain a female. The video also shows other persons as well, and the video also shows at least one other police officer. The video had been recorded out in the public somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I do not know when the video had been recorded. I look at the video and I ask myself a question. Could it be that the video is being talked about on social media so much just because the video shows when a police officer stumbled or fall while trying to arrest or detain a female? Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think, alright? Alright, now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe. Hello, viewers and subscribers, it amazes me some of the videos that are being talked about on social media, isn't it? In my point of view, it seems as if you're caught on camera even sneezing like a chew, it can go viral. So I say, it sounds away, but trust me, some videos are missing go viral on social media sometimes. It makes me wonder. You see? Anyways, the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show when a person who is said to be a thief had been caught on camera breaking and entering a motor vehicle somewhere out there in the world. I do not know where the video had been recorded. I do not know when the video had been recorded, and the language that had been used in the video is not English. Viewers and subscribers, one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Some of the comments made on social media about the video gave me the understanding that some persons on social media seems to find some of the things that have been shown and said in the video to be funny. Anyways, you can let me know what you think about this video as well. You can tell me if you think the video is funny or if it is not funny or what. See me, you can tell me what you think overall about the video. Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
अच्छा
हाँ
हद होता हद होता
गाड़ी क्यों नहीं है
या
क्या
हद होता
है
हद होता ते
हेलो
गाड़ी का खगल फ्रांसा
क्या
गाड़ी का खगल फ्रांसा
गाड़ी दाना वाली
या कुछ
क्या
गाड़ी का कितना है
ठीक
गाड़ी का कितना है
गाड़ी का क्या
नंबर में सौ खराब है ना Abdul Hawak Soccer.
Well, viewers and subscribers, I can only imagine what happened to that person after he came out of that motor vehicle. Obviously, that motor vehicle is someone's motor vehicle, and I doubt that the motor vehicle is his, you see? And I'm talking about the person who is considered to be the thief, or the person who can be seen in a video doing some things that are considered to be breaking and entering. Anyways, you can let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers, and with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she was angry about some things that a broadcaster said about one of the Jamaican female athletes who won a medal at the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to some of the things that this female said. Tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that she said, all right? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I'm so angry, but I'm going to say this as calmly as I can. And this is really for all the American broadcasters at the Olympic Games. Jamaica won gold, silver, and bronze in the 100 meters. After they had won, and I don't know which broadcaster it was, said that one of the girls from Jamaica actually lived where there were dirt roads and no running water. This is exactly the type of comment that comes out of America about other countries. Now, I want to tell you that half of America still has cesspools. They do not have city water. Half of America digs in aquifers to get running water. There is no clean water on Indian reservations. It is these comments, and he probably doesn't realize what he's doing, because it's a mindset that is total bullshit. Until America has running city water in every fucking place in this country and don't have cesspools, and I can tell you 1/3 of Jacksonville is filled with cesspools. They don't have city sewage. You all need to stop. This is a reflection. You guys in the media need to really think before you open your mouth. I'm Jamaican and I'm fucking offended when your country is not any better than ours.
Viewers and subscribers, I agree with some of the things that she said. Yeah, I agree with some of the things that she said. You see, in my point of view, viewers and subscribers, it doesn't matter where those Jamaican athletes are from. I am proud of them. I am proud of each and every one of those Jamaican athletes who performed or attend the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games. See? Fraser, Megan, Johan, all of them. Every one of them. Whether they want to come first, second, fourth, fifth, I could even last. I'm proud of each and every one of them. Because what them do, I might not be able to do what them do. Well, to be honest, I tell you the truth, I can't run. certain ways. So me not think me can do what them do. See? Me not gonna say me can, but me not think me can do what them do. See? So what them do makes me proud. And I assume that there are many other persons worldwide, not only Jamaicans, who are proud of those Jamaican athletes. See? So me proud of them. So me no matter what nobody wants to say, me proud of them. Alright, so big them up. Big up to the female shown in the video. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.